Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video I am going to show you how to make $100 per day from blogging. And I'm going to show you the 7 steps to making a successful blog. Alright, and if you stick around to the end of the video, there's going to be some bonuses and some tips on how to make this even more successful. Alright guys, I've been doing blogging since 2016 and I have been making a good full-time income from blogging, and I want you guys to join me so that you can do the same thing from home. So let's get started on how to make $100 per day blogging. Now, why even use a blog? And what a blog even stands for is that it's a online asset that you'll be building. It's an online asset that you can own because you will own the domain that of your blog, like workanywherenow.com is owned by me. So you will own an online asset, and not only that, it is made to attract its own visitors if you build it the right way. Okay, this is very powerful, having a blog, and it can attract its own visitors 24/7. So it is really worth it to build one of these blogs and have it work for you. Okay, and because it can attract its own visitors 24/7, that means you can earn money at any time, creating yourself a passive income stream. Okay, that's what's really awesome about having this blog that I have, that I get to make money every day without actually doing the work that makes it earn that money. Meaning I could do the work anytime I want, use the schedule that I want, and then I earn money whenever it comes in. So it can happen any time of the day. Okay, guys. And having a blog is actually one of the easiest way to build this kind of business. Yes, so you are actually building a business when you're creating a blog for money. And how do you make money with a blog? This sometimes, like, a lot of people don't see how to even make money with the blog. So one of the easiest way is to add display ads to your blog. Once it has visitors coming to your blog, once it starts generating visitors, you can easily make a little bit of money, start making money using display ads. So Google AdSense is a popular one that a lot of people start with, and there's other better ad networks out there as your blog grows to have higher traffic. And you can also create your own products eventually if you want to sell on your own blog. Once it has a lot of traffic, you can basically sell anything once you have traffic, basically. I mean, that's the key to making money online, is getting that traffic. Then once you have your blog, you can also earn money as letting people guest post on your blog and have them pay to guest post on your blog. I have done this as well on my blog, and then you can actually get companies and brands to actually pay you to do a post for them, and you can earn this way as well, which it could be like $200 to $300 a post. It can get up to that much if your blog is ranking really high, it's a really high authority blog, then you can demand that kind of money per post. But my favorite is using affiliate marketing, because it is another easy way for you to get making more money, like a lot more money with your blog using affiliate marketing, guys. And that's mainly what I use for my blog to make money with it. It's just very easy to get started with, because you get to sign up for these affiliate programs for free. So what you're doing with affiliate marketing is basically you're just promoting or recommending other people's products and services on your blog, and then you just add an affiliate link to your content. And then when you're recommending some products, say, hey, I use this tool very much and it's helped me do this and do that, and if you want to check it out too, just click this link right here and then go to find the same tool that I use. And if they like it and they buy that tool as well, then you earn a commission. Okay. So this is how I've been using affiliate marketing to make a full-time income from my blog, and it's been working this way. And it's one of the best ways I feel to make money online, guys. So how do you build your blog? You're going to start off with a niche topic. You have to kind of zone in on a topic for your blog. Don't have it be general, because you want to known for your website for a particular thing, for a particular topic, and people know that when they go to your site, they get the answer for that topic. Okay, so that's why you always need to narrow down to a certain niche topic. And then you want to create blog posts on your blog that provide value to that niche. So if there's people in the niche that needs to learn about how to do something or how to fix something, then that's something that you can write about and help people in your niche to solve problems. And then you need to think about what can you show people, because building a blog and using affiliate marketing, you really need to show people about how to do things, because then you can really recommend things to others. When you're showing how to do something, then you always need something to help you do that, right? So that's how you can recommend products that way, like a blog about new mothers. So there's, being a mom, you have various stages. So you can even narrow down just new moms, meaning like from pregnancy to maybe the first year of baby's life. That is a very niche topic blog that you can create. So like, and then you got to think about those new moms, like what can you write about to help them, because they're going to need all sorts of information when they're getting ready for a baby. Okay, so this is what I mean by what you can show people is like, how are they going to get ready for a baby? What can they expect during pregnancy? And just so many things for new moms. Okay, that's just a very quick example, and there's so many things that you need as a new mom. So I mean, there's tons of affiliate products that you could put into a mommy blog like that. And the last thing, of course, is answering people's questions in your niche. And you can know what kind of questions people are asking by simply going on Google. You type one question into Google, like what to expect when you're pregnant, and then Google sometimes will show you more questions about what people ask on that topic. So you can go on Google and look for questions about what people are asking in your niche, and you could write blog posts for each of those questions that they are asking. Because when you do that, then you can easily rank better. So because if Google sees that you're answering their question, then it can help you rank top of the pages to get the right answers to these people asking these questions. Okay, now how do you find affiliate products? I'm going to show you. These are 5 affiliate networks that a lot of people go to find affiliate products. So these 5 networks has a huge variety of products in different industries, so it doesn't matter which one you want to concentrate in. These affiliate networks in here can help you find affiliate products for any niche. So you just go to any one of these, type in or look for your topic that you want to build your blog on, and then you can kind of see what kind of products there are. Okay, and then another way to find products, affiliate products for your niche, is by simply putting in Google your topic, your niche topic, plus affiliate program. Then you can even get more affiliate programs, not just these ones, because there's a lot of companies that have their own affiliate programs that are not included on these types of affiliate networks. So you need to do both research so you can have, so you can find out what is the best affiliate program for your niche. Okay, those are 2 big ways to find affiliate products for your blog. So I'm going to go over the 7 steps right now to getting a successful blog going. And if you do these steps, then you will get traffic and you will start making money. Of course, the first thing you would need is a domain name. You want something short, something memorable, something easy for people to go back to and remember. Okay, so sometimes people use their name, like their first name, and then whatever tips. So like Grace's mommy tips, let's say, for if I were to do a mommy blog. All right. So you want to choose something that's short and sweet and easy to remember. Then the second step that you need is you need web hosting. That's how your blog is going to be live on the internet. You need somewhere to host it, okay? In the video description, I'm going to add a link for where you can host your blog and where you can buy a domain as well. So all the links will be in my video description. And now third, you need to know how to do keyword research, because this is the beginning phase of how you're going to build out your blog. Each of the keywords that you find will kind of kick off your blog content writing. And keyword research is very important. You want to find keywords that you can rank for easily. So you don't want to write for really high competitive keywords, but you want to write for more maybe long tail keywords. Keywords are simply words that people put into search engines to look for things. So if you're using those same words in your content, in your blog, then that's how you can get your site ranked on the first page of Google. And when you get on the first page of Google, that's when you get tons of traffic coming to your site automatically. And this is how your blog attracts its own visitors, guys, 24/7. Then you're going to write your blog post based on those keywords that you've researched. Then after you've written your post, you need to make sure you have SEO your posts. Now this part is a big one. Same with number 3, keyword research is a big one. Number 4 is, of course, is a big one too, because that is without the actual content, you cannot get ranked on search engines, and then you won't get any visitors if you don't have blog posts. So once you have written your blog post, though, you have to SEO, meaning you have to make it search engine friendly so that it gets ranked on search engines. So some of these tips are like, make sure you have 1 or 2 images in your post. Make sure you have a good title. Make sure you have a good description. You also need to make sure you do links. You should link from your blog post to other blog posts on your website. And also you should also link to external website as well, because that helps with your SEO and ranking. It tells Google that you're willing to send people off your blog into other places. So there's definitely a lot more that you need to learn for that, for SEO. Then you need to promote it. So once you have got all the pieces ready to be published, then you need to promote it. Once it's published, you want to promote it, especially in the beginning of your blog. In your beginning of your blog, Google and search engines just don't want to rank you yet, because they want to know if you're going to stick around and provide awesome content. So they don't really give you much attention until you're a little bit older blog, okay? So that's why number 6 is going to be more important in the beginning. Or you don't have to do it if you just want to let it ride and slowly grow. But number 6, if you promote it, it's going to make you grow faster, obviously, if you promote it yourself. And by promoting it, it means to, show people your blog on social media. You could go on Facebook, you could go on Twitter, you could do YouTube posts, videos about your blog post as well, and embed it in your blog post. That's another way to rank your blog post as well. There's many things you can promote it, so it's much needed, especially in the beginning when your blog is not being ranked by search engines as much. And then 7 is you need to kind of keep going, steps 3 to 6, until you start making good money with your blog, and then you can slow down that schedule a little bit. And then here are some tips for success. You guys, this number 1 point is very important, guys, okay? Results take time and you need patience. You don't know how many times I've seen people quit before their blogs start getting good traffic, and it's like you won't see the success unless you keep going. So publishing content consistently while waiting, while waiting for that results. Those are the types of people who will win big at the end, because those are the type of people that will keep putting action, keep taking action. That's how you get results, guys. If you consistently take action, the results will come eventually. Knowing how to get help is also the third point I want to bring up, because I have seen people not get help, and then they say, oh, this doesn't work, but then they never got help all this time. And it's like they could have gotten help and could probably seen results by that point if they had gotten help much earlier. And so in order to get help, or easy way to get help, is by using this training platform that I have been using since 2016. Now, I am going to show you this training, and if you go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you will get to the exact training that I have used. I'm going to show you right now real quick. So I want to show you this site. It's called Wealthy Affiliate, and if you go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, you will get to this page with my little picture on it. You do want to see this little picture on it, guys. Okay, and the way to go to this platform with my little picture on it is using my affiliate link, guys. workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Why you want to see me on this page is because then if you sign up with me, then you're going to get me, a super affiliate of Wealthy Affiliate, as your coach. Yes, I offer free coaching services on the platform. They have two main courses. They have the online entrepreneur certification, which majority of the people take. That's if you want to build a blog using your own niche. And so you will use that course to start following. Each lesson has the lesson in text, a lesson in video, and then there are tasks in the lesson as well that you can take action on very quickly on what you just learned onto your online business. So you're going to be building your blog as well as learning at the same time, so you don't lose anything that you learn. You build it along with the training, which I find is one of the best ways to learn. I have helped thousands of people so far in my journey, and I know I can help you too. So again, in order to reach the screen, you need to go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. I hope you will join me here, because they are actually the leading platform to learn affiliate marketing with a blog website, guys. This is why this training platform would be ideal for you, because it's exactly what they're going to teach you: how to build your own blog and use affiliate marketing to monetize and make good money with it. All right, guys. All right, guys. I hope that this has helped you in some way to teach you something about how to blog, how to make money blogging, and all the things that I told you about how to get your website ranked, how to use keywords, how to SEO your blog posts. It is all right there at Wealthy Affiliate for you to learn. There's no way I can just teach you all that in one little video. They have tons of videos inside to teach you every single step, how to do every step, and how to get the little very detail of how-tos that you need to know right there in those lessons, guys. I'm always around to help you, so I hope you will go to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope I can see you on the platform soon. If you have any questions, though, please put them underneath this video, and remember that all the links that I've talked about is also in the video description today. If you like this video today, if you find it valuable, give me a thumbs up and smash that thumbs up underneath this video. Give me that like and subscribe to this channel if you want to learn even more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. And so I hope this has helped you in some way, and I will see you on the next video or see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform. All right, guys. All right. Ciao. Bye.